Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by preparing your iPhone for any iCloud storage changes. Back up your iPhone to a local computer or to iCloud before changing storage. Confirm you can access your Apple ID and password on a trusted device. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for account security. Open Settings and tap your name to view iCloud details. Verify your current iCloud plan and available free 5 GB storage in Settings under iCloud. Note any important photos. Next, downgrade or cancel your iCloud storage plan through Settings. Open Settings, tap your name, go to iCloud, then Manage Storage to change plan. Tap Change Storage Plan and sign in if prompted to confirm identity. Choose Downgrade options and select the free 5 GB plan to remove paid storage. If you share storage with family sharing, the family organizer must cancel or downgrade the plan. Confirm the choice and wait for the end of the current billing cycle when prompted. Finally, sign out of iCloud and remove stored data from the iPhone. Open Settings, tap your name, then choose Sign Out and enter your Apple ID password when asked. Before signing out, turn off Find My iPhone from the same screen to allow account removal. You will be asked which data to keep on the device, so choose wisely. Select Keep a Copy or Remove from iPhone for photos, contacts, and notes as needed. Confirm Sign Out, and then verify that local copies remain intact after account removal.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.